So the market has been quite interesting recently, and it has created a few opportunities that are very attractive, surprisingly to me in a way. The market has been, first of all, predicting less and less of a recession coming, maybe even not even a soft landing. The stock market seems to be expecting that the economy will just hum along, despite the fact that we've had no recession in 15 years and we've had no credit cycle in a long, long time, which it's possible, but given that it's now fairly discounted, it's probably profitable to lean the other way a little bit. So being a bit more defensive. And frankly, when I look at stock by stock, it has created more opportunities as investors have left things that are a bit more defensive and gone more aggressively into things that are more cyclical, as we say, that move around with the economy a bit more. So the other part of the stock market that has become noticeable is the concentration in a few names. The big companies, the Magnificent Seven, they are called, and everything related to artificial intelligence and cryptocurrencies. All of these things have attracted a lot of attention, and that's created even more opportunities at the other end of the spectrum. People have just forgotten more and more about a lot of companies. So that's created a lot of entry points that are interesting in a lot of these companies. So that's where I'm focusing more my energy. And frankly, there's been more and more of these coming at a price that are interesting to me. So I tend to have some liquidity in the fund that's come down a little bit. And I hope that in the next weeks and months, we can deploy even more capital in very interesting opportunities. And those are in North America, in Europe, in Asia, they're all over the world. The US has become a place where most people invest most of their money right now. It's very reminiscent of the 2000 era. So I think it's important to lean a little bit against that. From what we see from a company by company basis, it is the case also. There's more opportunities outside of the US for companies that are cheap with good returns. So I'm tilting that way generally right now. So be sure that we will keep protecting capital for you, as I've always done over the last 15 years. And if the market changes, we will take the market as it comes and we will take advantage of it. And if the market comes our way, we will deploy in cheaper stocks and be assured that we are basically the most focused on capital preservation of any equity funds out there. So thank you for listening, and we'll see you in 6 months.